Alrighty, what we got here is the electronic bench. Not really much right now. Don't think I'll actually do any more to it other than a little option down here in this cubby hole. I need to put some kind of a wire Ferris wheel that'll slide out and flip up. And what I got here is a retractable resistor rack on Instructables. I've got up here the breadboard, the breadboard wire tree on the PVC rack. Also on Instructables. The soldering iron, that kind I still have to figure out. Still getting used to that. I'm used to the old 70s and 80s style soldering irons. This guy here, just an AC, manual AC power. This is the master switch. This one here, if I flip it around the back, this side here is controlled by the switches, whereas this side here is just controlled by the main switch. But all of them, the main switch controls all of them. But also on Instructables. And now the light here, I don't have on Instructables, but it's just your basic 2 strips of LED lights joined up here and connected to the power down here. Hopefully that looks okay. And that's the power supply, also on Instructables. Not a real build detail, but I did take it apart on Instructables and broke it down that way to describe what's going on in there. Other than that, that would be about it for that bench.